Yeah. Good times. You just got sunshine. Yeah. Good times. Good times.
What's up? Christina.
Hey, dance festival! Yee-hoo.
Dance Festival 2015, and guess what? We got some strangers here. They're not really strangers. What's up, sis?
Go Koi and Tayden!
And she's got her family too. Hi. Hi, Uncle Peachy.
Hey, William.
Where's Brock?
He's playing.
He's playing. Hi, Brittany. Hi. So these guys showed up at 1 in the morning to our house. We thought they were just somebody trying to break into our house, but no, it was Thomas and Joni. You don't know who that is? Thomas is my oldest brother. He's smart, full of wisdom.
Know that.
They already know that?
I have one fan. Hi, fan.
So here we're today. Today we're here at Tayden and Nikoi's school for their dance festival. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get some cool footage. Say good morning, Will. Can you cheese for the camera? Cheese. Cutie.
You were such a cute little chicken. You did so good.
And Mom, my friend forgot to put on his mask.
Oh man. Thomas, your buddy. Okay, Nikoi, say hello to our YouTube friends. Say happy chicken dance.
Happy chicken dance.
No, look at me. You're being silly. You did so good.
The weather's nice, we're not too hot.
Yeah. Good times. You just got sunshine. Yeah. Good times. Good times. Don't you think sunshine? You just got that. You just got yeah. Sunshine. Ain't nobody you
It's ballroom level 1. They will be doing a swing dance number to shake it up.
Tayden, you did awesome! Tayden, dude, you rocked it out there. I was so proud of you. You were shaking it. Good job, Tayden. I'm so proud of you. Seriously, you were the cutest one out there shaking your little hips and Michael Jackson swagger, right?
How awesome was that? You guys just saw Tayden and Nikoi just tearing it up there on the grass. What a way to go out for the year, right, Christina?
Yeah, out with the bang. Our kids learned some awesome stuff. I didn't know they were going to teach them dance moves too.
Yeah.
But Tayden and Nikoi rocked it.
Yeah, they love dancing though. Okay. Hey, Joni's leaving us.
William, did you see the dance? Yeah, yeah, yeah. William's ready.
Look how cool these kids are. Cool. The capital K.
I'm half Tom.
Cool with the capital K. No?
I'm half Tom.
Aww. Nikoi, you did so stinking good.
So I guess your new mom and dad is on.
So my brother and sister and their kids are just passing through. They're actually headed up to a cabin this weekend for Memorial Weekend. And me and Christina, they've actually offered to take Tayden and Nikoi with them. So it's just gonna be me and Christina and our little baby boy William. What's up, guys? So I'm just hanging out here with Sir William. Hey, William.
Hey,
What are you watching? Dump track?
I'm Chad.
Say dump track.
Dump track.
Dump track. I'm trying to teach William how to say his name. It's a little bit difficult. William, come here. Say will.
Hill.
Say will.
Well.
Yum.
Well.
say will.
Well.
Yum.
Well.
Every time I try to get him to say yum, he has to say il yum, el yum. And so it's kind of a hard name, but I'm sure he'll figure it out. But also, guess what I'm working on, guys? Dyches fam, RV vlogging in the USA. RV vlogging in the USA. RV vlogging in the USA. Everybody's gone vlogging. Vlogging USA. Okay, so that's kind of our theme. What do you guys think? I don't know. I mean, we got a lot more stuff in this thing going on right now. There's a lot of information that goes into putting something like this together. And it's all in my brain. It's all up here. But I have to put it all on here. We haven't really launched our sponsorship campaign just yet. Because we really want this to be polished. And the way that we first did it, we didn't feel like it was really us. So now we are trying to make this a little bit more us, and based on YouTube and video, because that's what we're all about. So we'll show you guys this when we get it finished, and we're hoping to be able to have this done in the next couple days. So it's going to be a video presentation. So stay tuned for that.
Jaguar's new best friend is a pine cone. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Say hi, I'm William.
Hi, I
And I'm 2. And I'm 2.
am.
Okay, let's see you ride your bike.
They eat fish in those big beaks.
William, stay there.
I'm gonna meet you.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
William, come on. Come on.
Now how's he gonna get down?
Whoa. Whoa. He runs over that, okay. Watch me go. Daddy, I think he's ready for the bike course.
I think so too.
Yeah.
William, go up the hill again. Except I want to see him go down that part of the hill.
Yeah, that's a little dangerous. He's only 2. Let's wait till he's at least 3.
He just needs a helmet on and he'll be fine. There's a wire sticking out of there. He likes to run it over though. You gonna go down it? You gonna go down that part? Here, Mom, let me help him.
You can do it. Just keep his feet down.
Oh, that was a bad idea, Christina. Good job. I totally just saw him going right into that. Okay, go all the way under the grass. Just go. Let go. Pick your feet up. Go.
There's William.
Hey.
Well, that bit.
Tell everybody what you see over there. Is that a tractor?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue.
You mean yellow?
L.
Orange?
Yeah.
Say yellow.
L.
Say orange.
N.
Oh man.
Look at that Jaguar station wagon.
Yeah. So look at all these people.
Oh my heck, dude, just turn around.
There's a sign down. Look at that guy.
Don't do it, dude.
There's a sign halfway down the street that says that the road is closed to use alternate route. And that guy in the Beamer is obviously above the law and in too big of a hurry to get to the movie theater that he has to break through this barrier. Like, come on, guy, that's not even safe. Like, that's so retarded. You're gonna be a couple minutes late for your movie. Good job, congratulations.
Okay, Josh is getting
Hold on.
a little angry.
I'm getting a little angry.
That's why we're going for a
Okay,
run for him to get his
but on a
groceries
side
out.
note, guess what? Guess what William is? He's allergic to cats. Well, at least our cat.
Okay, so Josh's brother has a cat. We stay there like once every other month. He mauls the cat, never a problem. My grandma has a cat. He
Never a
mauls it,
problem.
never a problem. And we get a cat. He's first fine for like the first week, and now it started, and it keeps getting worse every time he touches it.
It's
his
getting really
eyes
bad.
start itching. His nose starts running. It's ridiculous, you guys. I'm so sad to see William start having allergies like my little sweet
Tayden.
Tayden. It's so heartbreaking.
Yeah, it's no good because like he wanted to bring the cat on the walk with us. And, well, run. We're actually running. And we're like, oh, you can't really put him in there with you. And I mean, he's already his nose is running out of control. His eyes are itchy. Huh, buddy?
Baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
When are they
he
gonna start
says.
They were running the tractors, so we decided to come over here, and now they've stopped.
Yeah. But hey, let's close the vlog tonight. We got a lot of
Good
footage
night,
for
goodbye,
today.
go home.
Hey,
Get
listen.
out of here.
Thank you for all you new subscribers out there.
We
Welcome
love
to the
you.
family. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below so we can get to know you better. And we hope that you guys are having a good Memorial weekend if you celebrate it. If not, just have a good weekend. Okay?
Do something fun.
That's it from the Dyches fam.
See ya.
Peace out.
Mwah.